Facebook marketing benefits for businesses.
The use of Facebook is now an important part of every business's marketing strategy to generate leads and convert them into loyal customers. Facebook, which was founded in 2004 and became public in 2012, is one of the largest online corporations in the world, with a reach that extends beyond social media. Despite the fact that Facebook is still experimenting with ways to grow paid marketing revenues, there is no doubt that it dominates social media marketing for both organic and paid campaigns.
Facebook is a global scale of massive exposure.
Facebook offers a variety of marketing platforms in the form of pages, groups, and ads. Creating a Facebook page for an individual or business is the most popular way to represent oneself or a business.
Businesses and organizations can use group pages to promote activities.
On a group page called a wall, users can post comments and join the group.
Marketing expenses are low.
Small businesses do not need a website that costs money to develop, host, and maintain. Rather than paying for advertising, any business can create a Facebook page for free. This page can be updated with any type of content. More so, even a small business can create a Facebook page and display all the information about its products and services for free.
Possibility of targeting potential customers.
The Facebook Ads feature allows you to target potential customers based on their demographics and interests. In order to target young business owners, for example, you could choose demographics such as age under 35, middle-class lifestyle, residing in large cities, and interest in business and marketing. In addition, Facebook is also capable of retargeting those visitors who have previously visited your site. More so, effectively narrowing down your target audience.
Conclusion: Facebook marketing benefits for businesses.
In conclusion, Facebook marketing is a great way for businesses to connect with their customers and create a connection with them. It is also a great way to keep customers updated on what the business is doing, in order to keep them interested in what the business has to offer. Overall, Facebook marketing is a beneficial tool for businesses of all sizes. To know more about how you can benefit from Facebook, please give us a message and let's talk. Contact KLT Social now.